I have this YouTube data generated by Claude. This is an Excel file named video performance. It has video ID, video title, upload date, video type, topic, duration in seconds, impressions, CTR, views, average view duration, watch time, subscriber gained, subscribers lost, likes, comments, and shared data. So it has the YouTube metrics data set. And for this same data set, I have prepared a BRD document using Claude. So this is the BRD document, which has project definition like YouTube content performance dashboard, channel name I have taken as Insight BI. And these are the key business questions that we are going to answer in the dashboard. It has also generated the calculated columns and the measures that needs to be created, and we are preferring these KPIs to be shown in the dashboard. We can add these filters or slicers in the dashboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide Claude this data set and the BRD document and pass a simple prompt and see what kind of dashboard it generates. So let's come to Claude, and from here let's add the two files, and I'm going to pass a simple prompt here saying attached are the data set and BRD document. Analyze the data set, review the BRD, and build an HTML dashboard aligned with the specified requirements. So I'm going to pass only this prompt and let's see what it returns. It's checking some skills. It will take around 3 to 5 minutes to generate the dashboard. And let's see what kind of dashboard it generates. So it has generated this dashboard you can see on the right hand side. So let's go here and you can open in Google Chrome. So this is our dashboard. It says Insight BI YouTube Performance Dashboard. It has filters as well, like all types, short and long forms. We have topics filters like all topics, DAX, SQL, dashboard design, and we have the time slicer as well. It has created these KPIs what we have given in the requirement, and then it has created this time-based trend like views and watch time by month, and here it has created net subscribers and average CTR trend, and it has created some radar chart for short and long form analysis like comparing between the shorts and long form videos. And this is the bar chart. Here it shows the key metrics breakdown like total views, watch times, and it's comparing between shorts and long videos, and it's showing the winners of that category. And then here topic performance, showing the views and net subscribers by topic. We have the engagement rate and the retention rate for all the topics. And then it has created the funnel chart from impressions to subscribers ratios. And then here we have top 15 videos by views and some key insights. Here it shows the total number of videos and the time range and last updated date. So you can easily create these kind of dashboards in Claude under 3 to 5 minutes if you give the data set and the BRD documents. Now let's come to the Power BI part. So how can we get help from this thing? So we can use it as a wireframe. You have a data set and the business requirement, put it in the Claude and generate a dashboard. It can be done in the Claude free subscription. And you can take this as a wireframe for your Power BI dashboards. So that was it for this video. I'm going to create more videos on how you can take help of Claude as a Power BI developer. So if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.
If you need my help and want to connect one-on-one with me, you can book a call on TopMate. And if you want to buy Power BI reports along with dataset and BRD document, you can check out the products I have here. I have provided the links in the description. See you there.